Welcome friends to Smartsy land. Let's count numbers hand in hand.
One red ball bounces high, Smartsy fun under the sky. Two yellow ducks go quack quack, swimming in a Smartsy track. Three frogs leap and sing with me at Smartsy. 1, 2, 3.
Four bright kites go zoom, zoom, zoom. Smartsy colors fill the room.
Let's count again. 1, 2, 3, 4. Jump and clap and count some more.
5 balls roll down with pride, Smartsy joy on every side.
6 beach balls bounce in the sun. At Smartsy Beach, it's so much fun.
7 cupcakes on the tray. Smartsy fun in every way.
8 fun friends go round the gate, spinning fast, that number's 8. 5, 6, 7, 8, go! Learning numbers feels so great. 9 bright books, all in a line. Let's read and count, it's Smartsy time. 10 kids dance and spin around. Smartsy fun is all around. We counted, we laughed, we learned with glee. Thanks for watching from Smartsy and me. If you had fun, then don't delay now. Click subscribe and learn each day.